He's back.
Thank you. Joe, what is Rose and her mother doing here? Are they here to see me?
Yes, sir. They said they came to see you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Mama? Good afternoon. I hear you've been waiting to see me.
Yes, good afternoon.
I hope all is well.
That's the evidence of the world being standing before you. And she said you are responsible for the pregnancy.
Excuse me?
Brother, I'm sorry, I couldn't get into it.
Mama, look, I am so sorry that things turned out this way, but the agreement was for her to get rid of the pregnancy.
So that is what you gave birth to impregnating girls and then you ask them to go and abort it.
No, that's not what I'm trying to say.
Very good.
Okay, now she's pregnant. What do we do?
Who are you asking that kind of stupid question? Did we do it together? You're asking me what do we do? Remove that phrase. You marry her.
No, Mama, I can't marry your daughter. See, that lady that just walked in is my fiancée. I can't marry your daughter.
You must be very stupid. This is an opportunity for you to get 2 wives. You must marry her.
Mama, listen, we need to find an amicable way to solve this.
That is where I don't get it. Don't be putting we. We didn't do it. You did it yourself. So don't extend it to me. Be ready. You have gotten yourself a wife. And I brought her. This is her bag. Yeah? Come and carry this bag.
It's not possible, Mama. No, it's not. Thank you, Joe.
Welcome, sir.
Bonnie. Come. Oh, my phone. Hey. This site manager. Joe, go upstairs. Go to my bedside drawer. There's money there. Get it and come. Hello, site manager. How are you? No. I'm still in the house, but I want you to get your men so you can go to the site by 10 a.m. Okay, if I'm not at the office by 10, just get your men and go to the site. Okay, no problem. Send your account details, I'll transfer to you, all right? All right, thank you. Joe, I wanted you to get eggs for me to make breakfast, but there's no time. I have to go to the office. But still get the eggs and keep it in the kitchen for me.
Okay, sir.
All right, thank you.
Yes. God. Now, wow. Wait, what is wrong with my Oga? When will Oga ever going to get married? So that his wife will cook delicious dishes for him. And stop this restaurant food. How can a man live in this big house alone, just like that, for no reason? Every day, walk, and walk. It's not as if money is the problem. Don't be so Oga no fine. Wow, this kind of big man's life. No, I don't like it, please. Wow.
Oh my God. Hey. Hi, I am so sorry.
I should have been more vigilant.
No, I should be watching. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Oh my God. Where are you heading?
I'm actually in town for my youth service.
Oh, if you don't mind, I can drop you.
Don't worry.
No, I insist. I mean, look at the bag. It looks really heavy.
I don't want to.
No, it's fine. You know what? This way. Come on. I'm so sorry. Huh?
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So sorry once again. Pardon me.
I'm so sorry as well.
No, it's fine. It's okay. I should just watch next time. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to turn around. But you're okay, right?
Yes, just
Okay. I'm so sorry about that. Okay, oh, you have your seatbelt already. That's good. All right. So I'm gonna be your chauffeur for the day. You're welcome. You said you're here for your youth service?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, orientation starts in 2 days' time, so I just wanted to come by ahead of time.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
Yeah.
Well, Duncan is my name.
And I'm Annabelle.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you so much for the assistance.
Oh, come on. It's the least I could do.
Please, if you don't mind,
Yeah.
do you know any hotel where I could spend the next 2 days before orientation starts?
Oh, yeah. There's this nice one close to my house. I don't know if you don't mind, I could take you there.
Well, as long as it's a safe spot.
Oh, yeah. It's a very safe
Okay.
community. The area is very calm.
All right.
You will like it.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Told you, it's very, very quiet.
But
So, here. We're here.
okay. But I can't see any hotel signboard or...
Oh, yeah, that. I know. But it's very private, very quiet, calm, clean. Trust me, you will love it.
Well, let's check
You want
it
to check it out?
out.
Yeah, sure. Okay. All right. Let me help you with your bag. Oh, I got it. Oh, God. Ah, damn. Whew. Hey, Annabelle, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Thank you once again for your assistance.
Oh, it's okay. It's fine. I just called to check up on you.
Thank you.
So, what are you doing tomorrow?
Nothing. It's Saturday.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking if we could, hang out. Hello?
Yeah, I'm here. I was just checking to see if I was free.
Oh, okay. So, are you free?
Yes, I am. Anytime from 1 p.m. is fine by me.
Oh, great. All right, I'll see you tomorrow at 1.
All right, take care. Good night.
Good night. Oh, God. Tired. Joe. Joe.
Oga? So,
I want you to go to that eatery and buy food for me, huh?
sir, that eatery has not reopened since it was robbed. Except you want me to get you food from the other eatery.
No. Those people, their food is it's not good. And I don't want to drive her because my mother is on her way here.
Sir, what would you like to eat?
Swallow is fine. Yeah.
Okay, I know somewhere I can buy you good food. You will like it.
Are you sure?
Trust me, sir. You will
All
like
right.
it.
Come with me. Come take some money.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Only 500. How about you? Come next time, oh.
Rosa. Rosa, my buddy. Rosa, my love. Rosa, Fana.
I always tell you this thing. Don't be calling me baby anyhow. I'm not your baby. Oh. Don't allow me to insult you, this man.
So what is it?
I'm going to insult you.
What be your own self? Any small joke wey person joke with you, you go dey vex, you go dey take am personal. Fine girl like you no suppose dey vex, especially at people that compliment and like you. You suppose say all this kind love wey person dey give you. You go reciprocate. Eh? So they try tell me say I no fit love you. Man like me no fit keep you for house.
Keep it for who? For which house? Which house? On top of which salary? This your security job that you used to do? Better respect yourself or you this one. Respect yourself. What do you want?
You too do. You get swallow?
Yes. It's only fufu, Samo has finished.
This soup you get?
Vegetable and egusi.
Give me a goosey.
Yeah. How many fufu you want?
Put 3. See, put this food with respect, I beg. Now for more guy the boy I'm for, I beg. You understand? So put for me intestine. Put goat.
True. This food is for your oga. Because since they gave birth to you, you have never eaten towel and roundabouts and bomo and the rest. You better take the food complete to your oga.
You be your own self. Why they like insult person? See, Oza. Say I like you.
I beg, don't touch me, Joe. See now your cap and son.
Leave her for me. Just put the food, make her dey go.
No problem.
You see today, I go, come back, I go chop this food. You see as you put am like this, I go chop.
This very one.
You go see.
Joe, you don't have respect. You don't used to respect yourself.
How?
You will eat your oga food. Go away. See, Joe. No, they do. Stop checking me out.
Stop
Stop checking me out.
I will put something make her dey go.
See, Joe. Hi. Me waiting.
You know I go
It
catch
no go happen. That's the way they think. It no go happen.
Finger make you don't like it.
It not happen.
Put her more. Don't worry,
It
put her.
not happen.
So on Monday, you will have to go and inspect the buildings with some experts. I need to have an idea of how much it will cost us to renovate the property if we are going to buy it. The minister said I should get back to him as soon as possible.
So how many buildings are we talking about?
Oh, there are 5 duplexes and 4 bungalows.
5 duplexes, bungalows. All right, I'll do that on Monday.
So, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Joe. How are you?
I'm fine. Welcome.
So, you got the food?
Yes, sir.
Okay, serve it to the dining, yeah?
Okay, sir.
And then add juice and water.
Okay, sir.
Good.
Don't can.
What about that?
Don't can. You see what I keep telling you about settling down? Bring in a wife that will take care of your cookings. There are big risks eating from some of these eateries aside fear of poisoning. You can't trust anyone these days.
Mother, when I find the one, I will introduce her to you, okay?
I may as well remind you that you are my only child. I need to have my grandchildren. I need to have children to play with as I am retiring soon.
Mother, once I introduce my woman to you, just know that it is marriage time. We'll get married, we'll give you grandchildren, and I'll drop them at your house.
There you go again. Do you know I've lost count of how many times you've said that to me? Why don't you follow it up with an action? Take a bold step.
I will.
All right. I'm off for a wedding reception. I'll see you on Monday.
Okay, let me walk you out.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey. See, I'm a gentleman. I'm trying to open a door for you. See?
I've been open this door. All right. Take care of yourself.
All right, Mama.
All right.
Joe!
Sir.
That food you got for me, where did you buy it?
Oh, sir. The restaurant down the street. Mama Rosie's restaurant.
Really?
Yes, sir.
That food was so delicious. So in that small place, they make such delicious meals?
Yes, sir. And they sell very cheap.
Wow,
It's not even up to half of the money we spend on eatery.
I see.
Yes,
Wow.
sir.
Huh?
Here's a change.
Oh,
sir.
no, don't worry. Come on, just keep it, huh? Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Open the gate for me, huh?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I noticed that you didn't really eat anything. You just kept what you need.
Well, that's because I ate before leaving the house. Besides, I love home-cooked meals.
Well, that means your wife or girlfriend must be a really good cook then.
Sadly, I am not married, neither do I have a girlfriend. I had a chef, but she left recently. Yeah.
Makes sense.
Here we are. All right. Oh. Thank you, Joe. How are you? How's it going? Nice one. This way? Say hello to Joe. Please come in. Welcome to my humble abode.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You have a nice place.
Thank you. I try. Do you care for anything to drink? I have this special wine. Trust me, you're going to love it.
Well, I don't take alcohol.
Oh, you don't take alcohol?
No, I don't.
Well, that means water is fine.
Yes, water is fine. Thank
Good.
you.
But before that, let me show you around.
Is that really necessary?
Come on. I want you to get to know me and be comfortable around me. Besides, I like you, and I would like to get to know you. So, shall we?
In life, things happen. It may be good or bad. It may be planned or mistake.
I am so sorry for keeping you waiting.
It's okay. It's fine.
I hope you're okay.
I'm okay. I'm fine.
You know, red actually looks very good on you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So tell me all about yourself. And I mean everything. Don't skip anything.
Okay. Well, as you already know, my name is Annabelle.
Annabelle.
I studied medicine in school. I want to become a doctor, obviously.
You know, saying that right now, I think I'm not feeling too well. Can you take care of me?
Well, I am specializing to become an OBGYN, so...
Oh, are you running from taking care of me? Huh? Tell me, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Black?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. You know, I can't wait to see you rock like a black outfit.
Oh gosh.
No, for real. If red looks like this on you, then I don't know what black is gonna look like. Which is your favorite?
You're such a smooth talker.
I don't think so.
Really?
Yeah. That smile.
Hey dear.
Thank you.
Yes.
I'm waiting. Ooh. This looks good.
Thank you.
Chef in the building.
Go try it.
Amen. Oh my God. I can't wait to devour this.
What is it? You don't like it? What's wrong?
It's
I messed it up?
it's a little too spicy.
Oh, too spicy? Wait, let me... Sorry.
Oh my God. Wait, you didn't taste it? Huh?
Oh my God.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Oh my God, babe. I am so sorry.
It's okay. It's fine.
Can I get you something else?
No. It's okay. It's good. It's good. I'll manage it.
Oh my God, I spent all that time cooking rubbish.
I'll manage it.
God, I thought I could do it. I'm sorry. Babe, I'm sorry. Sorry.
Don't beat yourself about it. Let's go upstairs.
So, did you... Hey.
Hey.
It's time to sleep. I need to wake up very early tomorrow to, begin my journey so I can get to the orientation camp on time.
Oh yeah. I understand. It's cool.
I'll just go to the guest room.
No. Wait. Guest room? Come on. Take the bed. All right.
No, really, I can just...
No, it's fine. It's okay. Just take the bed. I will just lay right here. Okay?
Are you sure? I could really just...
It's fine. It's okay. Trust me. We'll just grab a pillow. Yeah. It's okay. There we go.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm fine. It's okay. I'm good. All right.
Okay.
Good night.
Good night.
Sweet dreams.
Good night.
Don't let the bed bugs bite.
Yes, I'm okay.
You can close your eyes.
So silly.
Can I drop you off in the morning?
We'll see.
You know, I said to me, keep talking, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Because I'm not really sleepy.
Good night.
Oh, wow.
Mother.
Interesting. I see why your phone has been switched off since morning.
Mom, it's not what you think.
And what exactly do you think I'm thinking?
I know what you think. She's Annabelle. She's actually on her way to the National Youth Service Orientation Camp.
Oh.
Annabelle, meet my darling mother.
Welcome, ma. Nice to meet you.
Thank you, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine, thank
So,
you.
what's your full name and where do you come from?
My name is Annabelle Igwe Ikenna from Abia State.
Wait a minute. Do you know Igwe Ikenna? He was a former minister of housing in Abia State.
Yes, that's my father.
Are you Christabel's daughter?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, come, my sweetheart. Come here. Oh, so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too,
Please sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, how are your people?
They are fine.
How is your mother?
She's fine.
So, what did you study in school?
I studied medicine, ma.
Wow. What a great course. Congratulations, my daughter. Look, this is my house. I want you to feel comfortable. You can come in and go whenever you wish.
Okay, ma.
Stop looking at me like that.
This is my house.
So what? It's my house too. You're welcome, my darling.
Thank you, ma.
Annabelle.
Thank you.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
So, to why I am here, there has been a little adjustment to our schedule on Monday.
Okay.
You and I will be having a meeting with some government official after the site inspection. You will have to come with the bidding of the housing estates that the government have been advertising. The PAM secretary sent it to my WhatsApp and I forwarded it to you.
All right, I will have a look at it and I'll get back to you.
All right. I can see that both of you are ready for work.
I was actually...
Don't bother about the explanation. Okay? Sweetheart, shall we?
All right.
Joe, you're back.
Yes, sir.
Please serve it on the dining, yeah?
Sir, there's a problem.
What's the problem?
I wasn't able to get to the food. They said Mama Rose has not opened her shop for some days now.
Why?
I don't know. But I called Rose to ask her. She said something came up. So they've not been able to open for some days. It's like someone is at the gate.
Yes, check it out.
Okay, sir. Rose.
Hmm? You say you want to see me?
Yes. Rose, what happened? Why have you not been opening your shop for some days now?
My mother traveled to see my sister.
Oh.
And there's no money for me to run the shop. That's why. Or you want to give me the money?
Huh?
What is it? So you don't have money. And you'll be running your mouth. Oh, lolo, I want to marry you. I want to do this. I want to do that. She don't have. Poor man. Ah, Joe.
Is there a problem?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Rose. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
I was told you guys have closed your restaurant for a while now.
Yes, sir. My mother traveled and there's no money for me to run the shop.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Oh, I'm so sorry about that.
No problem, sir. No problem.
Okay.
Sir, but she can help us prepare soup so we can put in the fridge.
Oh, no, Joe. You don't know if she's busy or not. Besides, it's getting late.
Oh, okay, it's not late. She can do it. Abi Rose.
Okay. I will help you, sir.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, I would really appreciate that.
No problem.
Look, take her to the kitchen and show her what we have. If we need to buy other things so that she can go to the market and get them.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Okay, brother.
Rose, check it out, yeah?
No problem.
If you need something, just let me know. I'll drop you at the market.
Okay, brother.
All right.
No,
they touch you.
You know the place. Come on for you. Go pass this side.
Why they carry me pass?
You know the kitchen, they say. You want passport? Come on for you. Rose. Afana. The food is not ready yet.
How can it be ready? Do you know how many things I'm cooking? I'm cooking stew for white rice. I'm cooking soup. Then I'm making jollof rice for dinner. So am I machine? It will take time now. Calm down.
I don't know. I don't know say they cook this plenty. Oga go happy you.
But where is he now? It's getting late. And where I'm going is very, very far.
No worry, that one no be issue. See, Oga will take you back anytime he returns. See, but Rose, I beg. Once the food ready, please signal me so I can come and enjoy what my Oga will enjoy. Please. What did I talk with make you look me like that? No vex. Shall call me when you finish, I beg. Rose.
Rose. Wake up. Rose.
Welcome, sir. Sorry. I must have dozed off. Sorry, sir.
It's okay. I didn't know you're going to wait for me.
But you said I should wait for you, sir. What's the time? You told me to wait for you now. 11 o'clock?
Yes.
Hey, sir, please go and drop me.
Where do you stay? Where do you stay?
New layout, sir.
New layout?
Yes, brother.
Oh my God, that is on the other side of town. How are you going to get a taxi? And my car, I actually managed my car to get back home.
Hey.
It's kind of faulty.
Hey.
What do we do now? Oh, If you don't mind, you can stay in the guest room and then leave in the morning.
Guest room, okay?
Yes.
But brother, that wasn't the plan.
I know, but...
You said I should wait for you. You take me home.
Yes. Something came up. My friend had a party and I forgot you were actually waiting for me.
Hi.
I'm so sorry.
I hope you don't mind. I gave the gate man food to eat.
No, it's fine. It's okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
No problem. No problem. Yeah. Do you want your food now?
No, rather help me peel these fruits for me.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Hi.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Sorry, brother. I spoiled it.
It's okay. I should have warned you about the sink. This... Oh my God. This doesn't look good. Alright. Let me take you up so you can change it to something else, because...
Okay, sir.
Alright. Sorry, yeah? This
Thank
way.
you.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay, sir.
I'll get them to fix it. Come in. That's the bathroom right there. And I have a change of clothes in this drawer. I got some, night outfits for my cousin, but I didn't see her wear it when she came, but you can try them. Anyone that fits, you wear it, okay? All right, let me excuse you. I'm so sorry again, yeah?
Brother, please, do you have wrapper?
What?
Wrapper, sir. Do you have wrapper?
No, I'm sorry. I don't have that.
I need wrapper. I need wrapper.
Rose, sit down. I want to discuss something with you.
Okay.
I like you. I like you because you're good at what you do. And I love good and tasty meals.
Thank you, sir.
So tell me, how much do you need to start running your restaurant again? Because some of us really enjoy your food, and we would want you to start cooking and selling again.
Okay. Due to the increase of price of things, the prices have doubled. So now it's like 200 to 220k.
200 to 220.
Yes.
Okay. Look, I want to help you.
Oh, okay, sir.
All right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you send, yeah, I'll take your account details and I'll send you some money so you can start the business. We miss your food.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much.
Is that all? Is that all I get? Thank you. I just said I like you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
If you really appreciate what I'm going to do for you, then you you kiss me.
Hmm?
It's not by force. I mean, I will still give you the money I promised, whether you kiss me or not.
Yeah.
So, are you going to kiss me? It's just a kiss. Hmm?
I knew that this girl would not be able to go today. But where could she be? I have looked for her everywhere in this house. Even the rooms downstairs. But she's not in any of them. I would have intensified my effort on her and use this opportunity and hammer her. That girl has a sharp mouth. But by the time I hammer her, she will be forced to start respecting me. A rude girl like her needs to be handled with silent hammering. After that, they will be forced to start respecting you. But this one for they give me free food though.
Brother, I'm ready to leave.
Did you drop your account details on the bedside table, like I asked?
Yes, brother.
I will send your money immediately.
Okay, brother. Thank you. Brother, are you okay?
Yes. Listen, Rose, I'm so sorry for what happened last night. I shouldn't have allowed you to do that.
Brother, I'm not annoyed though.
I know, but it's not right, okay? I just want you to know that I am sorry about everything.
Okay.
You will hear from me later.
Okay, thank you, brother.
In life, things happen. It may be good or bad. It may be planned or mistake.
I checked on you last night when I realized that it was impossible for you to go home. I was concerned.
Concerned about what?
About where you were going to sleep. I wanted to offer you my room where you spend the night.
Joe? Wait. Are you trying to say that in this big house, this whole house, there couldn't have been a decent room for me to sleep in except your cubicle? Eh?
I was just concerned.
My friend, open gate for me. Open the gate.
Hello?
Good morning, babe.
Good morning, my love. How are you? I'm good. I hope you slept well.
Yes, I did, and you?
I just called to tell you that I love you.
Oh, I love you too.
Babe, there's something I want to tell you. I want us to start on a clean slate. That's why I'm telling you this.
Okay, I'm listening.
So the thing is, so I slept with this girl last night, and I woke up feeling very, very awful because I couldn't stop thinking about you. You were all up in my head. Baby, I want to come clean with you. That's why I'm saying all of this. If you forgive me, I promise I will make sure it never happens again. Hello? Are you there?
Do you love her?
No, I don't.
I appreciate you telling me, and I forgive you if you say it won't happen again.
I promise it won't happen again.
Talk to you later.
Rose. Rose. How are you?
Fine, brother.
Are you sure about what you told me earlier?
Yes, brother. I even went to the hospital to confirm it. I'm pregnant.
Look, you have to get rid of it.
Brother, I'm afraid though. I even had a dream that I tried removing it and then I died.
There is nothing to be afraid of. Look, I will send you to one of the best doctors and he is going to help you.
Brother, that's not the problem. I'm afraid.
Look, you need to do this to help me. I have a fiancée. She's coming back very soon. If she comes back and she finds out that I got another girl pregnant, it's going to be a problem for me, okay? Please.
I've heard you, brother.
I'll send you some money, alright?
Money is not the problem, but I've heard you.
I'll still send you the money. I'll send you the doctor's number. You call him, I'll talk to him too, and you go and meet him. Do you understand?
Thank you. Oh, so happy I'm done. Oh my goodness, it was so hectic. All those exercises, oh my gosh. It was crazy. It was crazy, man.
Well, you're back home to rest,
yes.
chill, have fun.
Oh my god. So I can't believe I've finally served. Like, can you believe it?
Yeah, I know that feeling.
Oh my goodness. It's crazy.
You're still so pretty.
Oh please.
After all the stress.
Please.
But that's weird though. How can you be so stressed? Like you're saying you're so stressful and you're so pretty.
Oh please don't come, please. You're just saying. Thanks. Thank you.
What have you been eating?
Which eating? Like, please, it's just so crazy. Just have to adjust with all the hectic lifestyle over there.
You're done now, so
Yeah.
that's a good thing. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I think we'll have to pop champagne
Yes.
to celebrate that.
Yes, but then I need something else. Something much more, because I don't really take alcohol. Remember?
Just trying to kill the vibe right now. That's not cool, man.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Well, you're gonna pop apple juice.
So I'm going to pop apple juice. Oh my gosh. How have you been?
The hustle. Work.
Right.
It's just about it. Making more money for us.
Aww.
Take care of you. Make you shine bright.
Oh God.
Oh yes.
I'm so tired.
It's good to have you back home, my love.
Thank you, honey.
Guess what?
What?
This is going to be your last return.
Wait, what do you mean by my last return?
Come here.
What? Duncan, what's going on?
I've been waiting a long time to find you. And now that I have found you, I want to make you my better half. Will you marry me?
Duncan, well, you don't know me well enough to...
The little I know about you is enough for me to tell me. Will you marry me? Or you want me to go on my knees?
No, you know I don't like that. Oh my God. Yes, oh my God, I can't believe this, yes. Oh my goodness.
Yes, baby!
Oh I cannot... Duncan! Oh my gosh.
You are stuck with me forever.
Oh. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I did not see this coming.
I know.
Let's go, baby!
Taking you up.
Are you kidding me?
Yes.
Oh my goodness! Please, Duncan, hold on. Wait.
What is it?
I've never done this before.
Are you serious? You mean you've never been with a man before?
Never been.
Come here. Wakey. Rise and shine, beautiful. It's time for you to wake up. Come on, wake up. Wake up. Good morning.
Good morning. What are you... Duncan, what are you... What is this?
What do you mean, what is this? It's breakfast in bed. I woke up early to make this for you.
Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so sweet of you. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome. There's more of this from where it came from, all right? Now it is my duty to make sure that this beautiful smile on your face never disappears.
Thank you, honey. Thank you.
Now, time to dive in.
Okay, let's see what we have here.
I tried though.
Okay, we're gonna see.
I pray it's gonna taste good.
Ah.
Yes.
Interesting.
But, oh, it smells good.
Right. Okay. You're
Smells
blowing your
good.
own horn, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
I mean,
let me
pop my collar.
let me taste it first. Let's see.
Drum roll.
Oh my god, babe.
Thank you. Yeah, I know, right?
Thank God for a safe ride.
You know, I am still relishing on how welcoming your parents are. They are so polished, eh?
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. And so is your mother.
Yeah. So, now the ball is in our court to choose a date for our traditional marriage. When do you think will be, perfect for the traditional wedding?
Oh, babe, don't you think that we should have a breather first? I mean, I just feel like everything is happening so fast. Like, I feel like I'm dreaming or something.
Are you trying to be modest or something?
No.
Have you looked at yourself?
Oh, please. Oh.
Maybe a beautiful woman like you shouldn't waste time to get married. And guess what? I am lucky to be that man.
And I'm lucky to have you too.
Oof. Oof. This is all. This is all me. Oh my.
You're crazy.
Jeff, are you okay?
Fine.
Good.
Don't mind him, please. Don't mind him.
You know?
Are you sure your guy is coming back today?
Ma, I don't know. He didn't tell me if he was coming or not.
Okay.
Mama, I still think you shouldn't insist that he marries me. It's not up to him to decide. Eh? Besides, it's not entirely his fault.
I never knew I gave birth to a compound fool. Yes. You don't know this is an opportunity for us to get into wealth. So if you cannot send it, you better shut that your dirty mouth and let me handle the matter myself.
He's back.
Thank you. Joe, what is Rosa and her mother doing here? Are they here to see me?
Yes, sir. They said they came to see you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Mama? Good afternoon. I hear you've been waiting to see me.
Yes, good afternoon.
I hope all is well.
That's the evidence of the world being standing before you. And she said you are responsible for the pregnancy.
Excuse me?
Brother, I'm sorry, I couldn't get into it.
Mama, look, I am so sorry that things turned out this way, but the agreement was for her to get rid of the
So
pregnancy.
that is what you gave birth to impregnating girls and then you ask them to go and abort it.
No, that's what I'm trying to say.
Very good.
Okay, now she's pregnant. What do we do?
Who are you asking that kind of stupid question? Did we do it together? You're asking me what do we do? Remove that phrase. You marry her.
No, Mama, I can't marry your daughter. See, that lady that just walked in is my fiancée. I can't marry your daughter.
You must be very stupid. This is an opportunity for you to get two wives. You must marry her.
Mama, listen, we need to find an amicable way to solve this.
That is where I don't get it. Don't be putting we. We didn't do it. You did it yourself. So don't extend it to me. Be ready. You have gotten yourself a wife. And I brought her. This is her bag. Yeah? Come and carry this bag.
It's not possible, Mama. No, it's not.
Jesus. What kind of a fool did I even give birth to? Hold it. Follow them inside. Huh? Don't stretch that hand. You are stretching your hand. Follow them. Follow them inside. You are stretching your hand. How? Civil asking me question. How do we do it? Did we do it together? You're asking me how we did it.
No wonder. So it's because Oga has been hammering this girl. That's why she's been so rude to me. God, this man, Oga.
Mama, imposing your daughter on me is not right. It is not done.
You were not thinking. Oh, you never thought about it. When you were banging your way on my daughter, you never thought about it. I have brought your wife. Yes, she's here. I want you to take proper care of her. Do not allow anything to happen to my daughter. Because if you do, you have me and the whole of my village people to contend with. It is a warning.
Annabelle.
As long as he's the one responsible for that pregnancy, no choice. He'll marry you. Fiam. We're into another level of life.
But Mama, what about his fiancée?
Hey. What sort of stupid question is that? She has no choice other than to leave. She will go. And you'll be his wife, you'll marry him.
Mama, I don't like this. I don't like this at all.
Get rid of the pregnancy.
You get back to impregnating girls and then you ask them to go and abort it.
Annabelle, please, baby, please.
What?
I beg you, don't leave me.
What do you mean by don't leave? What do you mean? Look, I am so happy this is happening early enough.
Baby, we have come a long way. What about our marriage?
And what about her?
Come on. I cannot marry that girl. I did not promise her marriage. Baby, please, look, I am sorry things turned out like this, but I promise you it's not going to happen again as long as we're together. How am I even sure I'm responsible for that pregnancy?
Well, that is none of my business. You sort it out.
Baby, please.
Do you have a choice? No, I'm asking you. You don't like this, you don't like this.
Ah, no, Mama. Mama, my stomach.
What is it again?
Sharp pain. It's very, very sharp pain. Mama.
Annabelle, what's wrong with her?
This is it. Exactly what I pass through every blessed day of my life. From one illness into another. From one illness into another. They did not tell me anything, though, until they could no longer bear it. That's when they called me.
Let's take her to the hospital.
Hold on.
We need to take her to the hospital.
Wait, hold on.
How do you feel?
Much better.
Wait, what did you do?
Have you registered for your antenatal?
No. It's one nurse that gives me medicine.
This is wrong. I'm sure it's not a qualified nurse giving you all this medication. And that's why you're feeling all this pain. Look, you need to get her registered for her antenatals at the hospital before something wrong happens. Good luck to you.
Wait. Annabelle, wait. Annabelle, wait. Baby. No, wait, hold on. Annabelle, wait. Annabelle.
What?
Please.
Leave me alone.
You can't leave me like this.
What do you want me to? You want me to stay here? With
Miss,
this situation?
You have to help me.
Help you?
I need your help.
Duncan, this has got nothing to do with me. Do you hear me?
No. Baby, stop. Baby, please. Please, you can't leave me. You need to help me. I'm not letting you go.
Duncan.
Get a doctor here. You just...
Sit properly. Don't leave this house. Don't leave here. I'll call you later to know how you're faring. Do you hear me?
Okay.
Sit well. Maybe you're doing it, you're not squeezing your face. You're turning your eyes and your mouth. Adjust well. It's a gateway to progress. Rose.
Mama.
Are you okay? You're looking at me. Sit down well. I'll call you later.
Okay.
Oh?
Please, you can't leave me. You need to help me. I'm not letting you go.
Duncan.
Get a doctor here. You just take a look at...
What is it again? Wait.
What's going on?
Rose!
Let's take it.
Rose. Water!
What?
Rose! Wait. Calm down. Rose, just lie down. No? Just relax. Eh? Don't worry. It will be okay. Water! Calm down. Bring your head up. Calm down. Bring your head up. Take me. Okay. Yeah, okay. Sorry.
Annabelle. Thank you so much for coming back.
Can I ask you some questions? How many months gone are you?
Talk to her. She's a doctor.
Hi.
Rose. Why are you looking at me? She's refusing to talk.
Hi, Mama.
Sorry. Calm down.
Let me help you to the guest room.
Careful.
Brother, I'm really sorry. I told you that I removed the baby and I didn't. I'm sorry I lied to you whenever you called and asked about it. I decided to have the baby quietly. That was why I didn't say anything. I'm sorry.
Sit down now, he's gone. Where are you going? Sit down, he's coming. You are not the owner of the house. You are there? Yes. What is mom? Sit down. He's coming. When he comes, he'll take you.
Mama, calm down. Be calming down sometime.
Why would I calm down? This is an opportunity. What is mama? Calm down. What are you? Where are you going?
Inside.
Inside where? Do you know that he will come back and collect you? Just sit down. Occupy your space. You are not the owner of this house. You are not going anywhere.
Okay.
Sit well. Squeeze your face. You don't smile. This is not the time to smile.
Hi.
In life, things happen. It may be good or bad. It may be planned or mistake.
I don't understand. What they say is wrong with Rose? Because your guy called me and said it's all about Rose. I don't understand.
Ma, I don't know either. All I know is that he took her to the hospital.
Yeah.
Yes, ma.
Okay. Let's wait now because he said they're on their way coming.
Yes. Just make yourself comfortable. Ah. Madam. Oga's mother.
Is Rose inside?
I don't know. I'm not sure. Mama. I'm fine, ma. Welcome, ma.
Thank you.
We didn't know you were coming, ma.
Where's your guy?
He's not around.
Hello, madam. Where is she?
Oh, okay. Oga's visitor.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything is fine. Maybe when he returns, he will explain better.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Oga is back. Welcome, sir.
Son?
Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
You didn't sound very well over the phone. I hope all is well.
Everything is fine. I will explain to you. Come with
Is
me.
anything the matter?
Just come. I'll explain to you.
And who was that woman?
Mother, I'm saying I will explain to you.
Sorry. Gently, don't be matching the grinding. Mashing it one after the other, one after the other, one after the other.
So the doctor said we should decide and let him know so he knows what step to take.
Duncan, this problem you're talking about, I don't understand. What exactly is this problem like? This problem you're seeing that the doctor is talking about. I want to understand it.
Okay.
Well, Mama, let me explain. Preeclampsia is an abnormal state of pregnancy that is characterized by hypertension, fluid retention, and some other complications. So all of these individually are very dangerous. But now with all these combined, is not looking good for her at all. So if the doctor says she should terminate the pregnancy, I just think it's best for us to follow that advice so that she does not lose her life.
God forbid.
My friend, I'm sure you heard what she said. She's in the medical line, so she understands better. At this juncture, it's up to you to decide. We are going to give you the opportunity for you and your daughter to decide and let us know. Okay? Duncan, let me see you. Excuse me.
I'm afraid, though. I think we should just listen to the doctor. Let's do what he said.
My friend, will you shut up? Just close this your mouth, close it. Because when anything that comes out of it, there's no sense.
How could you, Duncan? How could you stoop so low to sleep with a girl that came to cook for you? How could you? And to even make it worse, you did it after you met a young, beautiful and intelligent Annabelle. What came over you?
Mom, I am sorry.
You are a fool. Yes. You the way the doctor said it.
He's good to brother Duncan.
They are trying to make you abort the pregnancy. What they are telling you is for you to abort the baby. It will not happen. Yes. You see that girl Annabelle? She does not want you to have a child for her husband. You will deliver this baby quietly. Nobody will even hear. Yes.
I regretted after everything happened and I called Annabelle to apologize to her.
He did?
Yes, Ma, he did. He called me and he confessed about it and he promised that he was never going to do it again.
Oh. That reminds me of his father.
From what I am seeing, you see the mother? You see that mother? That mother is rich. That woman has money. The woman will take care of you and take care of me and take care of the other people. Don't make the mistake, because if you make...
He was the only decent man I have ever met. Honest, straightforward. I'm glad you took after him. Annabelle. Thank you so much.
If you make the mistake, you will have me. Just bear it and give birth to the child quietly. You eventually become the wife here, because that woman has a very good plan for you. She does not have a child. Are you not seeing Duncan? Duncan does not have a child. He needs a child. You don't know before.
Mama, are you sure? This is a very big risk. It's very risky.
This girl, you are a goat. You are a big goat. Very big risk. Don't worry. You will have the child.
For sticking with my son, I really appreciate. As soon as I return from my vacation, you're going to fix your wedding date. Okay? Thank you so much. Now please, let's find out what they have decided.
Okay.
So, my dear friend Edna, what have you decided?
What you are telling me now is alien to my family. It has never happened and it will never happen. We have not even heard of it. She will put to bed quietly and safely.
Well, amen. That's our earnest prayer, that she delivers safely. Very well then, let it be established that you decided to take the risk. And I also want you to consider her condition with the fact that my son and Annabelle are very busy personalities. They might not have all the time to look after her. So I'll suggest you go with her to stay with you.
To where? Never. It will never happen. It does not happen and it will never happen. Take her to my home, to the father's house to go and put to bed. When her bride price has not been paid, God forbid. We forbid it in our place. She will put to bed, don't worry. Keep your mind strong. She's a strong woman. She's going to push the baby down.
Well, I'll be traveling for a vacation abroad. And I'll be spending some time. Otherwise, I would have taken her with me so I can look after her. Duncan?
Mother?
You have a responsibility here. You need to make some necessary adjustments. It is what it is.
In life, things happen. It may be good or bad. It may be planned or mistake.
Brother, please open the door.
Who's that?
Brother.
Is that Rose?
Yes, I think she's the one.
Annabelle.
For what now?
Just go listen, she'll be doing.
Please open the door.
I'm coming. Oh, God. I said I'm coming.
I'll be fast now.
What is it?
My waist. My waist.
Bring her in. Bring her in. Bring her to the bed. Bring her to the bed.
Come.
My waist is spinning me. I had to crawl up. It's like my whole body are paralyzed. Hey. I don't want to sit down.
Okay, just try and...
My waist is spinning me.
Sorry.
Okay, just...
My waist.
You know what? Just go ahead and massage her belly for her.
What?
Just massage her belly for her.
For how long?
Come on, you know with the growing baby weights now, she's going to be having pain. You can't lay down like that on your... Just go to your side a bit. Lay down on your side. You just have to keep doing this until it eases off.
I just keep doing this.
Yes.
I'm sleepy.
You know what? It looks like you're going to have a long night, so...
Where are you going?
Don't worry.
Huh? Annabelle. I'm thinking, stop hitting me. Am I not rubbing it like she said?
Press it well. Press the waist. Like that, press it. See, my leg is falling down. You know, catch the leg.
Am I a keeper? How will I catch your leg? She said, lay on your side. Lie.
You're not shouting at me now. Press the waist.
I'm pressing it. Hi.
Annabelle, yes, brother.
Will you say good morning first?
Annabelle, good morning. Where's brother?
Morning. He went out to jog. I've made some breakfast for you. It's on the dining, so you can have it. I'm
Okay.
going to work.
Okay.
Hey.
Brother, good morning.
Morning. You ready to go?
Yeah.
You look good.
Thank you. I made her some breakfast, so she's gonna head to eat it.
Okay. You have a good day at work, alright? And don't miss me too much. You know what to do when you miss me? Holler at your boy. Hmm? Come here. Have a good one.
All right.
Alright, take care, baby.
All right, bye.
Open the gate.
Excuse me, brother.
Huh?
Excuse me, please. Hi. Brother, it's Annabelle.
What about Annabelle?
She cooked poison. Poison. Ah, brother. You deserve better. Eh? Why? Eh? I cannot even eat. What is that? She sprinkled raw crayfish on top of this.
Do you know the saying, love conquers all?
Eh?
Love conquers all. Have you heard that before? This is the kind of love we call sacrifice. She might not know how to cook, but she covers it up with a beautiful soul that she has inside. And she has shown you that beauty. If you want to cook, you can go in that kitchen and cook whatever you want for yourself. But just know that, see that kitchen right there? That is her office. Do you understand? Telling me she cooked poison. I was gonna get some water.
Brother, come and eat the food. God forbid.
This guy is really funny.
But then he's so no, honestly. Because I don't understand why would he do that?
Oh my God.
Brother,
Huh?
food is ready. Should I serve the food now?
Yes, please. Serve.
Okay.
Wait, is it for both of us?
No, I only cook for you.
What do you mean you only cook for me? Serve us now.
Brother, it's only for you I cook.
It's okay. I'll make something for myself later. It's fine.
No, why would she cook and cook for only me? Don't let this repeat itself again. If you can't serve both of us, then leave it. I don't want to eat.
It's okay. It's fine.
Can you imagine? Cooking for only me as what now?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'll make something for myself later.
Can this guy just stop being stupid? Oh God.
Jesus. Hey, whoa. Jesus. Hey, whoa now.
Rose.
Check.
What's wrong, Rose? Are you okay?
Hey, babe, just be careful, be careful.
Babe.
Sorry.
Babe.
Hey, sorry. Oh.
Babe, what happened? What's going on?
Sorry.
Oh my.
Sorry.
Oh my God, babe, did you?
Help
You hurt
her.
yourself? Hold on. Let me take you upstairs.
Sorry.
Sorry, babe.
eh?
Sorry.
Sorry, Annabelle. Let me just...
Is it okay or it's too tight?
No, it's okay. It's
fine?
Yes, it's fine.
Okay, that's good. I'm your doctor now.
Well, you've done very, very well. Thank you.
Alright.
So, I'll just go to the hospital tomorrow to check for any infections, and then I'm going to take off work.
You should do that. Let me help you to the bed.
All right, thanks.
Watch it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Just no, don't do that.
What?
Don't do that.
What?
Don't do that.
Duncan. Oh my gosh. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
There you go.
Yes. Thank you. Ow.
I love you.
I love you too.
Okay. I gotta.
Thanks. It's okay. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks.
Hope you'll feel like...
Well, I'm coping quite alright. Just that I won't be able to go to work for a couple of days or so.
Sorry.
Yeah, thank you.
Annabelle. For the first time in my life, I feel so embarrassed and ashamed of myself. I am ashamed for barging into your life and your relationship with Brother Duncan. And I know my attitude towards you is unforgivable. But please, forgive me.
It's okay.
I grew up in an environment where survival was the goal. Whatever you do or however you go about it, it didn't matter so long as you survived. I have hurt and disrespected people, but it didn't matter. As long as I got what I wanted, I was good. But meeting you and Brother Duncan, it changed my mindset. You both made me realize that no matter what life throws at you, you should still remain yourself. Annabelle, you are a caring person.
It's okay.
I have seen educated and rich children look down on people, but that is not you. And placing myself by your side, I am ashamed. I am really, really ashamed, Annabelle. Because that is not you. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
Look. It's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's fine. I understand that sometimes people's actions are caused by their environment or some terrible conditions with which they find themselves in. I understand that quite perfectly. But the most important thing is not allowing yourself to be influenced negatively by those things. And now I see that you have realized yourself and you've chosen not to be that way. So don't be hard on yourself. It's fine. Don't be hard on yourself. Just be free with me and take me as your sister. And I'll always be here for you. Okay? It's fine. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. It's fine. It's okay. I understand. It's fine. It's okay. It's fine.
Annabelle, you want more?
Listen, I am so full. This food was so delicious.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, girl, like... I regret not knowing how to cook. You know, growing up, we had so many cooks at home. I really wish I learned.
See, truth is, good food is the easiest way into most men's hearts. If you want to keep your man, you must learn to cook very well. And it's very easy. It's just a matter of interest. And maybe I will teach you if you want.
You teach me?
Yes, so if you're interested.
Seriously, I am.
Okay.
Honestly.
I will teach you because I know brother loves good food. So it's okay. How is your leg then?
Well, so.
It's okay. It's okay, Abby.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Alright.
Thank you.
You're
This
welcome.
was delicious.
You're welcome. Your lesson starts now.
Oh,
take the place to the kitchen. Careful so you don't choke.
Okay.
Okay.
I just replied.
Joe, I brought food for you.
Are you talking to me?
Do you see another person here? It's you I'm talking to now. I bought food for you. Take. Take now. It's for you. Spoon. You will not tell me thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, you're welcome. Actually, Angel, I know I've not been a good person to you. I know I've not been nice at all. But I'm sorry. No vex.
No problem.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Eat your food.
In life, things happen. It may be good or bad. It may be planned or mistake. Just know there's a reason for whatever that happens. Oh, in life, things happen. It may be good or bad. It may be planned or mistake. Just know there's a reason for whatever that happens.
I didn't know it would be this stressful. Oh. What do you mean it's like that? Have you been pregnant before?
You see that when after now, it's a whole different experience. So I've not yet.
That one that they will not be pressing out. We visit this out with the food. Hey, Jesus. Mama. Mama. Mama, no. How are you?
Welcome, Mom.
Thank you, my daughter. Thank you so much for all you have done.
You're welcome.
She told me everything.
It's okay, you're welcome.
My prayer is that God gives you your own too.
Amen.
Thank you.
Amen.
Thank you. I'm inside.
Okay. Thank you.
Mama, when did you get back? Sit down now. Sit down.
This evening. Yes, yesterday evening.
Yesterday evening.
I came back. I spoke with Duncan and he told me everything, so I have to come.
Okay. What did he tell you?
He said it's just the same thing that the doctor said, and I said you deliver through CS.
Mama, what did you tell them?
What sort of stupid question is that? What do you expect me to tell them? I said to check. It will never happen. I did not give birth to you through CS. I did not give birth to your siblings through CS, so why should it be you?
But Mama, the doctors can't be wrong. It's not possible. They did their test already now. It cannot be wrong.
This is why I don't get it at all. Your own, you be turning your head and you be concurring. Let me just warn you. Don't let them put fear into your mind. Don't let them put fear into your mind. Let your mind be strong. Do you hear me? Nothing will happen to you. You will give birth normally, not through CS. Do you hear me? Don't shake your mind. Once you notice anything or any kind of thing is coming, just let me know so that I will run and come. Do you hear me? Look at the way you're looking at me. Have you really put your mind in CS?
Okay, Mama.
Are you scared? Don't be scared, oh? You have to be strong. Nothing will happen to you, and nothing will happen to your child. You will give birth normally. Yes. Why are you looking at me like that?
That's
Be strong.
Okay, Mama.
Be strong. Eh?
Okay. I fed you.
Yeah, smile. Smile well, smile well.
I fed you.
Okay.
You know, I was so worried when I got back and you were nowhere to be found.
When I came back from work, I decided to take Rose out for a stroll. So, she needs all the exercise she can get. She's almost due.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True.
On our way back, I met her mother outside, so she's right now with her mom outside.
Oh yeah, she's been waiting for her.
Oh, okay.
Oh, and the things you ordered were delivered in my office. I took them upstairs.
Oh, really? She's here. Hey.
Welcome, brother.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm managing. I can't wait for this to be over.
Don't worry, it'll be over soon, okay?
Yeah, thank you.
It's okay. We got some baby clothes and some dresses for you. They are upstairs.
Oh yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. I'm grateful.
You're welcome.
God bless you. Thank you very much.
It's okay.
Hey, when my baby arrives, if it's a girl, I want her to be named Annabelle. Yes. Annabelle, you've been so good to me. And I have learned so much from you. You're a good person. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
I hope you don't mind, though.
Nope.
It's okay.
Oh, come here. Thank you.
And I cannot repay you. So this is... Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you so much for what you do for me.
It's okay.
Thank you. When are you watching?
In life, things happen. It may be good or bad. It may be planned or mistake.
Have you been taking your medication? Your blood pressure seems high.
Yes. I'm just worried as my due date gets closer.
Listen, don't worry, okay? Everything is going to be okay. You just need to relax and be calm. Okay? It's fine. So all this.
Hey, Mom.
Yes. Good. You sure?
We are fine. Everybody's fine. How are you? Yes. We got everything. Okay, no problem. Alright, sure. Good night. Okay, I'll tell them. Bye. Mom sends her regards.
Oh, okay, mommy's boy.
I'm not a mommy's boy.
Oh, please.
Rose, am I a mommy's boy?
Annabelle,
What is it? You okay? What's wrong?
I think I just peed.
You just
What?
peed?
Wait. Wait, it looks like... Wait. You felt like you peed? Okay, I think it's time. Duncan, come. The other way, come the other way. Okay, slowly. Just stand up a little bit. Just try.
Don't pee again.
Try.
Just breathe.
It's okay.
Yeah. There you go.
Okay, come on, let's go.
There you go.
Good. Sorry. Okay, take it easy.
Breathe.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry.
Breathe.
Sorry.
Sorry. Sorry. Breathe. Yes, don't forget that. Always breathe. Breathe. Sorry, yeah? Sorry. Sorry. Watch it, please. Watch your hand, yeah. Sorry.
Let me go to the other side.
Yes. Let me call her mother. Where's my phone? My phone! Did I leave my phone inside? Hello? Hello, Mama. The baby is coming. Yes, please come to the same hospital, yeah? We're leaving the house now. The baby's on its way, yeah.
Thank you, Joseph. So they are not back yet?
Yes, ma'am. They're not yet back.
But my son called me some moments ago that they have left the hospital. Okay, I'm sure it's traffic.
Maybe.
All
They'll
right.
soon be back, ma'am.
I'll just wait for them.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you.
I'll be the gate, ma'am.
All right. Thank you. Ah,
Mom, you're
son,
here.
you're back. Yes. You're welcome. Congratulations once again.
Thank you so much.
See my cute baby. She's so adorable. She looks like me. How are you, my darling Rose? You're welcome. Please sit, eh? You've done so well. You fought a good fight. Nobody believed you could do this. We never believed you could deliver normally. But you did it. Anyways, though risky, but you did it. You're welcome, my child. Annabelle, please get something hot for her. Okay. She needs to take something hot.
All right, I'll do that really soon. But let me just show her where the baby's going to
Oh, that's good.
Don't worry, Mommy. I need to rest a bit.
I'll attend to that later. Don't worry. Mama, let me show you.
Okay, to the baby's room.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Annabelle. God bless you, my child. You've done well, okay?
Thank you.
Son, can I see you outside?
Yeah, sure.
All right. Rose, excuse us, okay?
We'll be back, yeah. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Human beings are really funny and ungrateful. Can you imagine that none of the staffs could take any initiative and do something while you were not there? They were all waiting for you. You know what? Such level of incompetency is unacceptable by me. I want the operation manager to be fired immediately.
Okay. I'll take care of that.
Very well then. You will have to take some days off. I'll stand in for you until you resume.
Thank you so much, Mom. Thank you.
I want you and Annabelle to concentrate with work.
Okay. Thank you so much.
And when you resume, I'll take Rose and the baby to stay with me so that I can take care of them. Anything for you, son.
You're the best.
For you. Thank you. And as soon as things are tidied up, we'll start making your marriage plans.
Okay.
Rose. Hey, let's go so that you can rest. Rose. Let's go. Rose. 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 Let's go up so that you take something. Rose. 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 Hey, Rose. Rose. Rose, wake up! Duncan! Annabelle! Annabelle, Duncan! Rose! Duncan! Come!
What is it?
Rose, wake up! I don't know.
Rose,
wake up!
Rose, wake up.
Rose, wake up!
Okay, Mama, okay, everybody move back. Move back. Hold on. Wait, hold on. Wait.
Is she breathing?
Hold on.
No, but what is it?
Can you feel the pulse?
What is it?
She's gone.
What?
She's
Rose.
what?
She's what?
Rose.
Doctor.
Rose.
She's what?
She's not.
It's a lie! Rose, wake up!
Rose.
Doctor!
Rose, please wake up.
Hey! Rose!
Please, can you wake up?
Wake up, Rose, wake up!
Rose,
Wake
please
up!
wake up.
Doctor, don't! Please do something!
She's not breathing.
No, this is not true! It's not true!
Rose, please.
Rose, stand up! Stand up, Rose! What is it, doctor? Doctor, just stand there now, just stand there. Do something, doctor. Doctor, do something. Hey! Oh, God. Doctor, don't look at me like this. Doctor. Don't look at me like this. Hey! Please, my doctor. Rose, wake up. Rose, wake up. No.
Mama, Rose,
No. Rose,
please.
hey! Oh!
Mama, Rose,
Rose, wake up. Don't look at me like this. Doctor, just stand, do something. Just touch her, she will wake up. Just touch her. Doctor, no, nah. No, I'm not sitting. Doctor, please. Why?
Come and sit down first. She will wake up. I'm sure she will.
In life, things happen. It may be good or bad. It may be planned or mistake. Just know there's a reason for whatever that happens. Oh, in life, things happen. It may be good or bad. It may be planned or mistake. Just know there's a reason for whatever that happens. Be careful what you do. Desperation won't pay you. Whatever happens is for a reason. Life could be better or worse, but just keep an open heart. Whatever happens is for a reason. Be careful what you do. Desperation won't spare you. Whatever happens is for a reason. Life could be better or worse. Just keep an open heart. Whatever happens is for a reason. Whatever happens is for a reason.
My friend, I want you to be strong. Okay? I know it's painful. I know it's not easy. We all are pained. I want you to take heart. Try and pull yourself together. What has happened has happened. Because Rose was also like a daughter to me. But no matter how bad it is, I want you to take heart. What has happened has happened. We can't question God. God gives and God takes. I wish I can turn back the hands of time. But there's virtually nothing anyone can do. I want you to pull yourself together. Please. I know it's difficult. Pull yourself together. Life happens. You can't shut yourself. You can't shut your life because of what has happened. So please, pull yourself together. I know Rose left so early, but I want you to remember that she didn't just go. She left a baby for us. That each time you remember that baby, you should see a reason to live again. Please, Mama Rose, we want you to live for us. We want you to live for Rose Ann. And we want you to live for Rose. My son and I have sat together and had some discussions. And we have a token for you. We want to do little of what Rose would have done for you if she was still alive. We want to give you just a token of 10 million naira for you to live for us. Please. Like I said, it's a token. It's a little out of what Rose would have done for you.
10 million naira. What would I say? How would I thank you people? Made a mistake. Yes, I did. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Why did you go?
No.
Why did you go? Why did you leave me? Why? Why?
No, don't be so hard on yourself, please. Nobody knew it would end this way. No, it's okay. Please be strong. Put yourself together, okay? I know it's not easy, but try, okay?
I will. I pressurized Rose. Though she resisted, but what would she do? She obeyed because I'm her mother. If I had listened to the voice of reason, if I had allowed that cesarean session, my daughter would still be alive right now.
It's okay.
My child will be standing.
It's okay. It's okay. Please. Put yourself together. Get hold on yourself. Okay?
Thank you very much. Thank you. It's all right. God bless you. It's all right. God bless you, Rose. Why did you leave me?
It's okay.
In life, things happen. It may be good or bad. It may be planned or mistake. Just know there's a reason for whatever that happens. Oh, in life, things happen. It may be good or bad. It may be planned or mistake. Just know there's a reason for whatever